it, but our number one goal is just to beat whoever's on the other side of the net, and then we'll take those other consequences of those wins as they come.
What can we expect from East Carolina and Midland Tennessee?
Well, East Carolina, it's always a conference. We got a chance to look at them already, and they do some different things, and they're a pretty scrappy team, and they'll come after it. And so, for us right now, with me, it's always been about what we're doing on our side of the net, and if what we're doing is doing some good things, then we'll beat any kind of team that we play, and especially in conference. And so we're just trying to focus on our side a little bit and sprinkling the game plan.
Good. I think it's a time for us to show what we really have against conference, because preseason doesn't matter anymore. We just got to focus on conference.
And what do you think needs to be improved upon going forward this weekend?
Just staying focused and not getting ourselves in our minds that, hey, just because it's conference we can't we can let up, but we can't. We have to stay on.
All right.